In this video, I'll be showing you how to make the Delta Old-Fashioned Donut in Pokemon Legends ZA Mega Dimensions DLC. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, the Delta Old-Fashioned Donut is crafted by focusing on ingredients on the fresh, blue and sour yellow flavor profiles. So you're obviously going to have to go to Ansho, who is a new character in the DLC, usually located above the top of Hotel Z. And what you're going to have to go ahead and do is get these specific items. So you're going to need 4 Hyper Caliber berries, 2 Hyper Haben berries, 1 Hyper Rosalie berry, 1 Hyper Chillin berry, which in total is 8 berries. So once you have all of that and you have the donut from Ansha, who is again on top of Hotel Z, you gotta feed the donut to Hooper. This will open the path to the Mega Rayquaza fight. And then just prepare for the battle. It's gonna be quite a tough battle, so just make sure your Pokemon are as high level as possible. Make sure you have all your heals ready as well. And then if needed, just go ahead and gather more Hyper Berries as well. You can return to 4-star or 5-star hyperspaces to gather more as well. And it also, it's worth getting a golden Pokeball for a better chance at better berries as well. So just keep that in mind. But yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.